Hello YouTube, got a quick video for you today. This one is a 2022 Hyundai Tucson, and today's job is to replace the engine air filter. It's a really simple job on these cars. Got the hood open. We are on the driver's side of the engine compartment here. There's a air filter housing here. Just pull the latch here to open, and from here there's a couple of the latches here that we have to move out of the way. So move them in that orientation, and from there the air filter simply slides out. The replacement air filter that we're using today is this number here, 28113L1000. So we got a brand new filter, nice and clean. And reverse of removal, just stick it in until it's seated, and then pull up on the latches until they click, like so, and then bring the lid down and secure it. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.